Hey everyone. Okay, so this week is week 2, beach. This is what you're going to follow for this week, okay? And I'll just review it just like I did last week. We have this column is language arts activities. This column is a math activity. In this column, there are science and social studies activities. In this column, sensory and art activities. And in this one, it's a combination of gym, music, and life skills activities, okay? So if you can, pick 5 activities for the day. And when you're done, just cross them out or color them in, put a sticker on it, whatever you'd like to do. You can go 5 across. You can go 5 diagonal. You can do 2 here, 1 here, whatever you'd like to do. It's recommended that you do 1 from each column, but you don't have to. By the end of the week, you should have all 5 filled out, all 5 for each day filled out, so the whole board will be filled out, okay? And let's take a look here. All right, this is beach theme writing prompt pictures. So what you're going to do is you're going to talk about the beach with your child and what they would like to do when they go to the beach. Would they like to play with a ball, build a sandcastle, go surfing, swim in the ocean, see the animals, or just go on the boardwalk and have some ice cream? Okay, see if your child can pick one and then color it in, cut it out with them. And over here, you're going to take that picture and glue it right here. Okay, read this to your child. I love going to the beach. When I get there, I will. And then you're going to write down the answer. You can do hand over hand with your child. You could do it yourself. When you're done, take your child's finger and point to each word as you read it. I love going to the beach. When I get there, I will build a sandcastle, for example. Okay? All right. This one, it says show and name the pictures on the bottom. So we're going to look at the bottom. Okay? Here's a bird. Seagull lives in the ocean, but there's lots of birds. And a fish, a seashell, and a crab. And over here there's a poem, and it has some motions to it. So I went to the beach, and what did I see? A bird on the sand looking at me. So ask your child, where's the bird? And have them point to the bird. You can do the motions with your child. Okay, have fun. It's really good to listen to some rhyming words. Developmentally, it's great. All right, now for this one, this is a fun one. There was an old lady who swallowed a shell. There's a link. When you go back to over here, and over here, there's a link. Follow that link, listen to the story online, and then you're going to color cut out the pictures and glue them in order how the lady swallowed. So first she swallowed the shell, then she swallowed, and you just go in order. Okay? Oh, let's look. Here is I Spy. I know this could be hard for preschool, but it's even if you just do it with them, it's really, really good. Just go along with them. There's an octopus, a seahorse, I don't even know what that's called. A ray? I forgot the name of it. See, I need to learn about the ocean too. Here it looks like a dolphin. That looks like a shark. Okay, and then you're going to say, can you find an octopus that looks like this? Just help them visually attend. Point to the object and visually attend, and then come over here and see if you can find it, and then go back and forth. There's an octopus, 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 octopus. Give your child time to actually attend visually. That's an important skill. Here's another one, count the shapes. Okay, help color and count the shapes. This one you can take as you like. This is graphing of the fish. So the activity is to get some goldfish crackers, especially if you can find the rainbow ones, and sort them and then graph how many. If you don't have the crackers or your child's not eating, take some paper and cut out some ovals, just like that, and say that they're fish. You could color them. And then do it that way. Sort them. If you have 2 red fish, maybe do 2 over there. If you have 4 red fish, blue fish, do 1, 2, 3, 4 circles and help your child graph how many fish. Okay? Here is, this is, me and my science activities. Fun shark science activity. Just follow the directions. You can make a little water shark in the bottle. At school, a lot of times we'll hot glue the caps and wrap it with some electric tape or duct tape just to make sure your child doesn't mouth. But just when you have it, just stay with your child. You don't want them to put that in their mouth, okay? All right. And here's another one. Create an ocean of jars. Very similar to the shark. Very visually sensory. Okay. Here's a fun fishy activity. If you have some celery, dip it in paint, cut it in half, dip it in paint, and you can make the scales of the fish. If you don't have that, you could use toilet paper roll. Just bend it a little bit. It'll give you the same kind of effect. Okay. And if you still don't, fingers. Make some scales with your fingers, okay? And here's the fish on the other side. And here's another one. In the packet, there was a baggie full of some stickers and things like that. That goes with some of the activities for the whole summer. But you can find what you need. Here you need a small Ziploc bag, small rocks you can get outside, some hair gel, the fish stickers that were in the baggies, and some strong tape. And then you can have your child squish it. The hair gel makes it fun. You squish, 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 squish. Okay, and here's a fun beach trick for the life skills. You can help your child make this yummy, yummy, yummy fish sea treat. Okay, and for the other things, there's a lot of links where you just have to listen. Okay, here's this one, for instance. Watch these videos for beach safety. Just plug that in and watch it, and then you color and you're done. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great week. Bye-bye.